This is the Echo Show 10 Generation 3, a popular smart display that's getting fantastic reviews. But there are other similarly priced alternatives out there, and I wanted to find out if it is a great choice and for who. So I tested out the Echo Show 10 for a couple of weeks now to see how it compares to other competitors. And there were some interesting things I found out that could make the Echo Show 10 the perfect smart display for some people. So I'm going to tell you everything you need to know if you're interested in the Echo Show 10, like how to set it up, how to use it, how it performs, and how it compares to competitors. Starting with what's inside the box. We've got the Echo Show 10 itself, a 30-watt power adapter, a 5-foot cable, a motion footprint template, and a quick start guide. Setting up the Echo Show 10 is simple. First, plug it in to power it on. Then follow the on-screen instructions and connect to Wi-Fi. Next, log into your Amazon account and adjust the motion settings to allow free screen rotation. To use it, just say Alexa, followed by a question or command, such as playing a song or setting an alarm. Touch the screen to access and adjust apps or settings. In the settings, it's easy to add favorite apps and to make changes to the appearance or sound. The Echo Show 10 has a 10.1-inch HD screen that follows movements. During video calls or while watching a show, the screen smartly turns to face the moving viewer, making sure they can always see and interact easily. This sets it apart from some competitors who lack this fantastic feature. It allows for video calls with anyone using the Alexa app, another Echo Show, or Skype. It's available in 2 colors, charcoal and glacier white, with dimensions of approximately 10 inches by 9 inches by 7 inches and a weight of just over 5.5 pounds. It comes with a built-in 13-megapixel camera that's great at keeping things centered during photo shoots and video calls, with its auto-framing and motion tracking. It pans and zooms on its own to get everyone in the shot. It also features remote home monitoring, which can be done securely through the Alexa app or other Echo Show devices. I've used it to check on my place when I'm not around, and it's been really reassuring. The Echo Show 10 makes handling a smart home pretty intuitive. It sets up Zigbee devices and other smart products right away. No extra hub needed. With a simple command like Alexa, discover my devices, it locates and sets up compatible devices, allowing for voice control or on-screen management. Users can ask Alexa to display security camera feeds or adjust lighting and temperature settings. Privacy is made easy with controls like a mic camera off button and a built-in camera shutter. Motion deactivation is simple through voice commands, device settings, or the Alexa app. The best part is, screen motion processing happens on the device, keeping images and videos safe from the cloud. Amazon Photos can turn the home screen into a digital frame, making favorite photos look great in any lighting with adaptive color. To expand the photo collection, just say, Alexa, take a selfie. By the way, Prime members enjoy unlimited photo storage. It's also the ultimate kitchen sidekick with Side Chef, making it super handy for following recipes, handling unit conversions, setting timers, jotting down grocery lists, and multitasking without a hitch. The Echo Show 10 is an awesome smart display. It has a 10.1-inch HD screen that intelligently tracks movements and makes sure it's always in view during video calls or shows, which is a feature not all competitors offer. It's compatible with the Alexa app, Echo Show, or Skype for video calls. It boasts a 13-megapixel camera with auto-framing and motion tracking, making it great for remote home monitoring. Setting up a smart home is easy with Zigbee device compatibility, and privacy is a priority with a mic camera off button and on-device screen motion processing. The 10 comes in stylish charcoal and glacier white options. Amazon Photos turns it into a digital photo frame with unlimited storage for Prime members. And it's super handy as a kitchen companion with Side Chef for recipe guidance, unit conversions, timers, grocery lists, and multitasking capabilities. Well, that's all for this video. Till next time, I'll see you guys later.